Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Microsoft Teams. Now, you might want to sign out of your Microsoft Teams because of various reasons. You could be not using device anymore, or you could be switching your accounts, or there might be other reasons for which you might want to sign out from your account. So, I'm gonna keep it very simple and show you how to sign out of your Microsoft Teams account. So, at first, make sure you just open up your Microsoft Teams account like me. It doesn't matter which page you're on. At the top right, you'll see your profile picture. Just click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll get a bunch of options over here. But most importantly, you'll find this sign out option. Now, to sign out, you simply just need to click on sign out over here. And it will ask for you one more confirmation that sign out of Teams. We will sign out and remove any offline data, including matches draft and more. They are also giving you a tip. Teams now supports multiple accounts, which means you won't have to sign out to move between accounts. You can just add another account over here. But those are not our goal. We just need to sign out. To sign out, what you have to do is just click on sign out. And then just give it some time. It will sign your account out and load Microsoft Teams newly once again. Just give it some time, and there you go. Your account has been successfully signed out. And basically that is it. And that is how to sign out from Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.